Hello friends, my name is Pinocchio, the wooden storytelling boy, and today's story is about the fire eater's sneeze. Once upon a time, I found myself in a bustling town filled with laughter and music, and I was so excited because I found myself standing in front of the grandest puppet theater I had ever seen. Inside, the famous fire eater, a big man with a fiery beard and a booming voice, was getting ready for his show. I tiptoed backstage, hoping to catch a glimpse of the magic. Suddenly, Fire Eater spotted me. His eyes grew wide, and he let out a sneeze so powerful that it rattled the curtains and made all the puppets jump. "Achoo!" he roared, and his sneeze sounded like thunder. At first, I was scared. Fire Eater was known for being grumpy, and his sneezes were famous for blowing out candles all over town. But as I stood there, I noticed something funny. Every time he sneezed, his big red nose wiggled, and his eyes sparkled just a little. I couldn't help but giggle. Fire Eater looked at me, surprised. "Why are you laughing, little wooden boy?" he asked. I told him, "Your sneeze is the most wonderful sneeze I've ever heard. It's like a parade of elephants and a dance of butterflies all at once." Fire Eater's frown turned into a smile. He laughed so hard that he sneezed again, and this time, confetti flew out of his pocket and danced in the air. The other puppets joined in, clapping and cheering. Fire Eater wasn't scary at all, he just needed a friend to show him the fun in his sneeze. From that day on, whenever Fire Eater felt a sneeze coming, he would invite all the puppets and children to join him. We would laugh, dance, and celebrate every sneeze, turning it into a festival of joy. I learned that sometimes, things that seem scary can be wonderful when you look at them with kindness and laughter. And that, my friends, is the story of Fire Eater's sneeze. Remember, even the biggest, loudest sneezes can bring happiness when shared with friends. If you love fairy tales, storytelling by Pinocchio, and magical adventures, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more gentle bedtime stories with you soon.